Everybody, I'm back for a quick video. You might hear Lila and Seamus. They're just off to this corner on the floor playing. But I had a box come today from Cloth and Paper, and I think this is going to be my last of the Penspirations. This is the test sheet. And this is the pen kit. So let's... Ooh, it's a different color pen pouch. The last one I got in November? I can't remember. Was clear. And this one, mine came ripped. Oh, just a sec. You guys, stop! Stop! They're trying to, Lila's being a little panther and attacking the puppy. You guys, why must you always do this when I try to film? You both act up. No acting up. Now go to the front room and go play. Be nice. Okay, we're back. Mine came a little damaged, but it's a plastic pouch. And let's see what all we have. So this kit, this Penspiration, is $18, and that includes shipping. And you roughly get like 5 to 7-ish writing utensils. So let's see what we have here. So the first thing we have is a kokuyo, and it is an eraser. And this one just comes apart really quick. And it is just one of those telescoping erasers, rubber erasers. And I like the design. I like kokuyo. There's some interesting drama about kokuyo and how they're trying to overtake Pentel. There was a very interesting video that Tokyo Pen Shop did, was it early this month, about it? And it came with an eraser replacement. So this eraser will last you forever. So actually I'm kind of excited for that because I like the eraser. Don't need to swatch that. We have a few pens and pencils here. Okay, it looks like we have a pencil. Another Manami. Looks like to be a gel pen. And some sort of a highlighter. Okay, so let's, is there lead in there? Yes. This brand, I'm not sure what brand it is, but this is a pencil. And it looks like it is 05. One thing I do have to say is they do pick very elegant looking utensils for writing. And it came with a lead replacement. So there's a pencil and there's lead. That's going to be a nice thing to have. Let's see. This is the, it says Manami, but I wonder if it means like mon ami, like my, you know, friend, my. So this is the Monami. Or like a friend should be 2 words. Mon ami. Plus pen. And you can actually buy these, 3,000. You can buy these Mon Ami Plus pens. You can buy a pack of 12. It doesn't want to snap. I think that's the one thing I don't like about these, is they don't, it's hard to tell if they're on all the way. See, it doesn't want to, anyways. You can buy a whole pack of these on, does it at least click that way. You can buy a whole pack of 12, 24, 36 for, you know, like $24, $25. I do like the color though. The color is really nice. The next pen we have is, it looks like it's a Chinese brand, Meng, M-E-N-G, maybe? Actually, that looks like the same branding as the pencil. I think it's Chinese, but let's see. We'll just say Meng. Fine tip gel pen. And it's one of those really tiny tipped gel pens. It's actually really comfortable. The grip is nice. And it's kind of like a goldish, lemonish, yellowish highlights on the barrel. And then the last thing is what looks to be another Mon Ami, that brand, O-N-A-M-I, which I think, yeah, is a Korean brand. What is it? It's called the Clip-On something. My Korean is horrible. Oh, it's like it has a, if you look right here, I'll see if I can zoom in. It has a clip, kind of like, let me pull out my Sarasa Dry. Now the Sarasa Dry is, I think, a better pen, but you can see it has this clip. This does the same thing, except I don't think there's a spring in there. It's a piece of plastic that's making it do that. And does it post? Yes. And this looks to be just like a highlighter. It reminds me of the mild liners. There's a blue that's this color, and like periwinkle maybe. It's called the Ascenti Soft Highlighter. To me, it looks like a periwinkle color. They call it Pastel Blue Celeste. And it's just the one side. There's no double end. So that's what you get in the Penspiration kit this month. This is a pen that I've gotten in the past from Cloth and Paper. It's the Sarasa Dry. They call it the Air Fit Grip. And it's because of this Air Fit Grip thing here. This is going to be my last box that I have coming from them. I just think it's, you know, some pens that I normally wouldn't buy. I'm going to keep the eraser. I think the eraser is really cool. I mean, I've bought this from them in the past, and I do have, if I can get it out of my pouch, I do have this one that came with the, I think it was the November box or December box. I can't remember which. And I'm still using it. I'm not sure how much ink is left because it's one of those that you can't really tell. But I've been using it pretty faithfully since I got it in the last box. And then I think there's another one in here. See, that I got from what was that shop? Oh no. I thought I had it in here. Yeah, and this is the other one that I got in that last kit. And see, it reminds me of a Muji, just a little bit bigger. And it's a little bit bigger of a barrel, so it holds more ink. I think you can even get this brand of pen for about the price of the Muji. I mean, they're nice pens. I'm not saying that they're nice pens. But I just think that... Oh, let me put this back with my traveler's notebook. For the cost of the box, I mean, you get an eraser, a highlighter, a fine-tipped pen, a pencil, a gray, I guess you could call it like a fine liner, and then some refill lead. It's kind of pricey for what you get. And over time, I don't think I'd be able to use this one because I just got it, opened the box, and it's already broke. It might be from like one of the pens being a little too long for it. But yeah, I just thought I would share what I got. And, you know, if you have any questions, you know, leave them down below. You know, have you subscribed to the Penspiration box from Cloth and Paper in the past? Have you liked it? It makes me think that they've got, you know, a, you know, Mon Ami is one of their, I always want to say it in French, Mon Ami is one of their suppliers, because I think in almost every box I've seen one of these fine liner type pens. So yeah, let me know what you think. And I will leave it at that. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.